Raja with the tight
mykrowavetv.
front. Raja, a first woman, me see the on them period for around 6 months now, you know. Raja, I think you really need a pampas to how your period are go on too long now, Raja. Tight front, Raja. Raja with the tightest front. Raja.
Tamoy, big up. When you can see people on the app was so toxic, bro, and them can keep them peace of mind and them sanity, you think that's easy, bro? That's not an easy task, G. When you're in a era where so toxic, bro, and you can stay contented and keep a peace of mind and your sanity, brother, you must think that easy for do. So when I see people do that, bro, I have to show them a different level of respect. I have to. No founder probably don't understand because I'm just drown in a negativeness. You see me? I'm consumed by negativeness. You see me? So I'm not gonna really have the level of maturity for grasp what me I say. You hear that? Really and truly. I don't like me a human. Me a human. Me don't really give a fuck about what people say. But me a human. Of course, sometimes it gets under my skin to know people just chatting shit. You know what I'm saying? It gets under my skin sometimes. But the thing is that I'm mature enough to not be bothered. You understand me? I'm mature enough to not be derailed by them false accusations and them allegations. And you understand what I try to say? I'm way mature than that. Probably if them did catch me 10 years ago or 12, 15 years ago, them would have make me mad out or drive me crazy. You understand me? But them things, so when them do things to people, bro, or say things about people, it doesn't bother people. Not because you don't act as if you're bothered, bro. That doesn't mean you're not bothered. That doesn't mean it not get a little under your skin. Not because me not show it. You don't feel like say me I no bumbo clad metal. Me not have no feelings. Me a iron. Me don't want to tell me what I say. Because when me say things, me not just get up and say rational stuff and just say randoms, just say things to just say it, you know. When me I say something, I think about what me I say. So if I say it with no remorse or no regret. If it's a misunderstanding, I'll be an adult and I'll apologize. You see what I try to say? But never you people over here come think say, y'all talking to some. Because a lot of you guys, like people can manipulate, peer pressure, and can control. Can just come tell them what to do, tell them how and all of that, and them just work with it because them not have a mind of them own. Them not know how to think things through. You understand what I'm saying? I'm telling you, chef, bro, to all them do me, bro. I'm still there, chang. Enough time I walk out the road, man, I'll bust blank off of me, you know. And I just go say, you know, more time, I feel like for just bust a real one off of them, you know. But I can't make them get the best of me. You understand what I try to say? And what? I hold up my head, my dog. And I do my thing, my dog. Me no make nobody feel like say them can break me, my dog. You see me? So when you see me, I defend myself and I speak for my truth and I talk for me, bro. I don't want nobody program me and tell me what to say. If you not agree with that, you hit the road and you keep walking. Because one thing I know for sure, when people are bring me down and I do my bad, I now go to them and tell them don't say that. So who do you people think you are to come to me and tell me not to say whatever? Who do you think you are? Jamaican Empress, thank you. Who do you think you are? Or who those people think who them think them be? For think them can come tear down people. And then when they got their situation and their issues, you ain't gonna say shit, bro? Bro, for one, I'm afraid of no boy. No girl. No boy or girl can't threaten me or make me feel like I'm scared, G. Because we grow rough, dog. You understand me? I cannot be bought. I'm not easily convinced. You understand what me I try say? So at the end of the day, when I do things, I do it as a leader, not a follower. I do it as a shepherd, not a sheep. Everything with them I do, them bring down people, and when for them time come, them look sympathy. And you guys were short of empathy. It's hard to keep up my dignity. I wrote, this is a piece I did. The color of my skin has turned against me. The community that I live in is filled with strife and poverty. In this inner city, everyone shows sympathy, always short of empathy. It's hard to keep up my dignity. Too many families in this tragedy. I want to be free from this mentality. Where I live is not who I can be. Too many things have happened to me. And these words are from, I'm in the 6th grade. Because I know the type of people you guys are. So I'm not stupid, bro. So never ever feel like someone can talk and make me scared. One can make me shiver with y'all words. None of that, bro. I'm grounded in what I believe in, bro. And I stand 10 toes down. The first thing first, when this man even start live by my name, I didn't even know him. The only thing I could have done is scroll through TikTok and see this thing. I bring me down. And it wasn't just that moment, it continued. It was a trend, it was a pattern. It's like speaking about me gave them a kick or a drive. And when I speak, you guys are gonna try to hush me up? Are you mad? Are you people crazy? I'm not that guy, G. I'm not that guy, bro. Who the fuck Jaydenn think him is? Who the fuck is Jaydenn? Huh? Who the fuck that nigga is? Who the fuck him think him be? If he can bring down people and when you think you're in a situation, people's just gonna shut up and not talk? Who the fuck you think you are? Who the fuck you think you be? Let me remind you of who you are. You's a fucking orphan piece of shit. A germs box. It's not bad to be an orphan, but people like you, we gotta tell you in your face. Because y'all don't respect nobody. You're a piece of shit. We grow like dog. And man molest you in approved school. And play with your ass and your mouth. And because of that trauma, you reflect that image on everybody. You come and you try to tear people apart. Because of what you felt and you endured when you were molested. That's what's wrong with you. That's who you are. So not because of your personal trauma that you had. Don't come and blame nobody for that. Don't come disgrade nobody and bring down people because I know we molest you in approved school. Anybody will get up every day and bring him down people for a living, it's because of your trauma. Okay? So let me tell you why you're so bothered. Let me tell you why you're so mentally distraught. You see the trauma where you go through, it make you stay so bitter. But bitterness is not a solution. Bitterness is not a solution. You need therapy. You need ways to cope and move forward. That's what you need. So let me speak to you intelligently and not aggressively and not as if I'm illiterate. Go get counseling. Deal with your personal issues. Because one thing for sure, you can never ever fix somebody if you're not fixed and you're damaged. You're damaged emotionally, mentally, physically. You're damaged. And don't come blame anybody for you being damaged. That's not our fault. And when people don't grow with love, there's no love in them to give. So a lot of you guys have to understand that. When people don't grow with love and compassion, there's none to give. People may have come at 4 o'clock. I may have to go catch the place. Can somebody beg you a pussy in my gift gallery? Big up yourself, Negos Imara, all the time. And I rest my case. Because I don't want they to think it's a thing where I'm really trying. I'm not trying, really and truly. What people do with them sex life, them personal life, it has nothing to do with me. If you want to be fucked by a stick, a dog, a cat, a puss, or a rat, I really don't care. I speak about the situation because of how I feel and because of the damage that that guy did to me. You understand? So I speak about the situation because that person made me feel some type of way. So I have all the right to speak about the situation. I'm not speaking about the situation because I'm sex life. I could have want a dog fuck you or a donkey, me not care. Ashley could have want all fist fuck you, me not care. But me just try show you. Say in life, you don't bring down people, bro. In life, you don't just come tear down people for no reason. People where you don't even know. People where you don't even know, you have never met, you have never exchanged word with. You just come and you break them, you try to tear them down. God have ways for dealing with people like you guys. And that is the point where me I try prove. That is what me I try show no. And if I'm not be honest with yourself, y'all never heard me come on TikTok and try to burn somebody that never burnt me. Or never try to provoke me or try to say shit about me or try to defame my character. You never heard me done that. Every time I come on the internet and speak about somebody, I'm speaking in defense of myself. Every time. But people that don't like me, they're just gonna fail to see that. You understand? They see, but they just don't want to accept the fact. You understand what me I try to say? And that are just that. You see me? Then you're not gonna tell me what to say. Who are you people? I'm always a leader. Me a head boy and prefect throughout my school. My schooling. And them things that me a leader. Me no second for less. Me value myself. Me not settle for less. I believe in raising the bar, not lowering it. That's what I believe in. So I don't settle for less. So I'll never let anybody force me to settle for less. That's not me, G. Anything we do, we're going to do it to the best of our ability. Yeah, I do still have my nuggets. See them a post, Roger with the tied front.
Roger, a first woman we see the pandemic period for around 6 months now. Roger, I think you really need a pampas to all your period are going too long, Roger. Tied front, Roger. Roger with the tightest front, Roger.
And Jaydenn with the body hole with damage. Jaydenn with the body hole with dismantled. Jaydenn where girl have makeup go up on face and your body hole a girl have use a makeup kit a try patch. Jaydenn your body hole damage. Yeah, these are the things we may talk about. And any boy will power with you, them are the definition of faggot. Because them know you have a body fetish. Them know you like bottom. Them know you like people going in your bottom. Well, them not if them know you like toys in your bottom. Them know you like toys up in your ass. So I think a wrong place there. I think a XXX porn you forgot star. Me not think a TikTok. I go over OnlyFans or over there you for there. You say title right Jaydenn the whole of your rear end mash up. You have girl play with your rear end. Not only that, cause them did a play with your rear end from you there at homes. From homes them a damage your rear end. You know so you from Jaydenn from a see me know you're so good. You know see him tight to watch him. From a see me know you have a so good mouth.
Roger with the tight front, Roger.
Jaydenn from a see me know you's a so good boy. Yeah man. From a see me know you's a so good boy. If you want me and you got it, we can got it in me backslide and not care about nothing. Yeah man. You's a so good boy. You have to stop make girl go up in your bottom and stop go up in a girl bottom. No, me I ride him wave surfboard. But now have gyal put up brushing on her body. And then you know want to bring down people. When you left the blood clot place. You know have gyal finger and a play. Hey boy, lift up. On a little and on a body touch. All on can say me a body boy no. A chat on can chat. Oh. But I sure know my body no touch. I sure no boy never jump my rear. Hey boy, you have all gyal jump your rear. A suck your mother. Move on a blood clot. I forgot you have no mother. My bad. Suck your blood clot. Home's parents. Or suck the man where fuck your homes. When you go suck the hood where you did a suck at homes. Where did a rev out your body hole at homes. Make you get fetish for put things up in your ass. You think you know why Ashley lock you up? And when you hear me say Ashley for lock up your blood clot, you don't know say that sweet you. You don't know where you go back to. Eh? You go back to where you did like. Cause you know you go back to the man them in there for play up in your bottom. You think you know why Ashley lock you up? Eh? Any man where that put themselves in a position for get locked up, hey boy, you know where you go to a jail. You see, say you shame like dog. A Roger alone you can't go off. You shame like dog. Because you know the people them not like Roger, so you try twist the story if it move off of you and go up on Roger. Because you know them not like Roger. Jaydenn try out for somebody else. A year blood clad season. Look and dirty. Another bare arms up nastiness. Somebody can't beg you. Somebody beg you one puss now. Cause somehow you can't go on to, you know, you just have fill up spot. Me I look at puss and I work hard, play harder. A Insta still on a party on and a spot on a feel. All the entertainment done on no leave. Jankro. Yes, somehow no live. All of the refugee them fine on a camp. All refugees fine on a camp. Talk calling out all refugees fine on a camp. Live.
If you pussy tight, put up your hands. Open up inside, I'm a